Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. My name is Meyson. So some days ago I decided to make the ultimate budget studio setup where you get to use just natural light to shoot. Now a lot of people are getting into photography nowadays, and some people have started a while ago, but they still do not have enough money to invest in gear. Now gear is very expensive. When you start photography, it's advisable you buy a camera and a lens, and after that it's kind of tasking to take all your money or save a lot of money to buy gear right away and take the kind of pictures that you want to take. But there are different ways to do that. There are other ways to do that. You can just shoot with natural light, which is what I want to show you guys today. Now it's easy to go outside and just take pictures outside, but the setup when you have to shoot in the studio is just a little bit more tricky. When you have to do that, you have to have good and diffuse light to get like really nice pictures. And today I'm going to be showing you how I got some certain images that I just posted on my Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram to see some of my work, or most of my work, that you guys haven't seen here on YouTube. And yeah, so it's quite simple. It's a one light setup. But yeah, I used two reflectors. So one was the diffuser, was like the huge one. I hope you guys can see that on the screen right now. That was just the diffuser, which was diffusing the light that was coming out from the window. Then the second one was actually the reflector to bounce light back at the subject. Then I had like a white seamless backdrop behind my subject, and we got some pretty nice results from that. I'll also be putting camera settings every time I show an image that I've done. And yeah, I think that's about it. It's just simple, easy. You're not going to spend too much money to actually create this. If you have a window at home, then great, you can just work with this and get great images. If you have a friend that has like a huge window or a huge glass door at home, then this will work for you too. So simple, easy, one light setup to get your images to look really great. Now the tip I'll give for this particular type of shoot is that you should use fast lenses, because if you're going to be shooting at like f5.6 or f7 just to get like a pretty sharp image, the problem with that is that you will not have enough light coming in, except you are shooting pretty close to the sun. Which, yeah, that's a dry joke. But yeah, so yeah, you'll probably be shooting very fast prime. So you'll be shooting at 1.8, f2.2, 2.8 if you want the image to look a little sharper. I think you can go up to 3 point something, but basically what will happen is that you would have to increase your ISO. Now, new cameras, almost every modern camera can handle noise up to like ISO 800 or 1000. So that's good. Good enough for anybody, especially most of these pictures will just be going on social media to share with your friends or share with people and just show people your work. So it really doesn't matter. You would not be able to see noise at that resolution, I guess. So yeah, so it's fine. So use fast primes, like I said, and you'll be fine. So if you're just starting up and you have like a 70D with a 51.8, it will be great to just add a few diffusers or a few reflectors to your kit. Now as time goes on, I'm going to do more videos showing you guys how you can actually get great images by using just a reflector and a diffuser. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below, let me see more. Let me know the kind of content that you want to see from this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So enjoy the video.